Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Hershey Kiss pretzels. The ingredients that we're going to need today are a bag of pretzel snaps. We're going to need a bag of Hershey Kisses. I have the candy cane ones. And a bag of M&Ms, the red and green ones for Christmas. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Next, I counted out 24 pieces of the Hershey Kisses, 24 pieces of the pretzels, and 24 M&Ms. Now you want to get a baking sheet and put a piece of parchment paper on there. And all you want to do is line it with your pretzels. Okay guys, once you have all your pretzels down, all you want to do is take your Hershey Kiss and sit it right on top. Okay guys, once you have all your Hershey Kisses on top of your pretzels, they're ready to go into the oven. And we're going to put them into our 200-degree oven for 2 minutes. Okay guys, once the 2 minutes is up, all we're going to do is start putting our M&Ms on top of the Kisses. Just like that. Okay guys, once you put all your M&Ms on top, all you want to do is wait a while for them to cool off. Okay guys, here you have it. Candy cane kiss pretzels. They're a nice treat for Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back and like and subscribe. Until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.